What's up guys, welcome back to a new Raqmedia tutorial here with Izzadin. In this tutorial we'll be having a look at the new Samsung Smart TV Q85R. Welcome back. So as we all know, the TV comes with a hub of the different applications integrated into the TV. Also it comes with the most famous streaming apps and services like HBO and Netflix, and also you can just use the Apple TV, which is one of the first smart TVs to integrate this new service, which is the Apple TV, right from your TV. No need for any other gadgets. The TV comes at a price of €14.99, and this at October 2019. Please share your thoughts and feedback on this smart TV and if it really deserves that price. Till next tutorial, this is your host Izzadin. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.